Morning students. Today's class is on petty cash book. Petty cash book second video it is. The last video you can say. Over here we will learn journal, ledger as well as preparation of petty cash book. Let's read the sum. It is in the books of Asset Limited. Impressed fund received is 500. It's not carry forward but received. Paid for carriage 90. Paid for advertising rupees 90, gave tips to office peon 20, and impressed money received is the impressed money received. I will also be putting IGST in the carriage. Carriage IGST is 10%. Now let's see. The first one we received the cash. So 2 cash 500. Then we have paid the carriage inward. So carriage inward account debit to cash. See, carriage inward account debit, as well as there was a IGST, inward IGST. So that is 10% of 99 rupees to petty cash 99. That we will be putting in the petty cash book even. Then there is, just see in the petty cash book how we have put by carriage inward 90 in the carriage column also and the amount column also, total amount column, and by inward IGST 10% it was. Next is paid advertisement on 4th 90 rupees we have put in the advertisement column even. So 90 over there and 90 over here. And we will be seeing the next statement, that is office tips. Gave office tips to peon, gave tips to peon, office peon, that is 20 rupees on May 6th. So by office tips 20 and sundries, because this expenses is not occurring again and again. It is a sometimes non-recurring expense. That's why we write sundries. Then we have total date 209 total, 90, 20, 90 and 9. If I will add this way horizontally, then also it is coming 209, and if the amount column is added, then also it is 209. Next is the balance. First of all, we will add up 500 both the sides. We could have written particulars and date this side in the right side of the amount column. Now see, there is impressed money received. After doing the balance, we brought the balance, brought down 291. 209 spent, 291 is the balance cash in hand, and 209 the impressed fund we are receiving on the next week, the first day of the next week, for one more week. Again the total amount became 500. So 291 plus 209 is 500. So you notice it's very simple. We have passed the journal entries also. For all of them, journal entries: petty cash to cash, carriage, inward IGST to petty cash, office expenses account debit to petty cash, advertisement to petty cash, and petty cash to cash from the main cashier. We have opened the ledger also. In the petty cash account, by carriage, we have to write by inward IGST. Inward IGST is 9 rupees. Even we have to write by office expenses. Inward IGST 9, office expenses 20 rupees, by advertisement 90, and the balance will become 291. 291 is the balance, and balance is brought down, and we have received the new cash on 8th, that is 209 rupees. Then carriage account we have opened. We have written 2 petty cash. See, over there we have done by carriage 2 petty cash, over here in carriage 2 petty cash, and to transfer it in profit and loss account 90 rupees. Then inward IGST by petty cash 9, and by profit and loss account 9 rupees. Then we have the next one. We have 2 petty cash in advertisement, and by profit and loss account 90 rupees. Then cash, we have opened a cash account. We have received the money. So by petty cash 2 main cash, or 2 cash only 500, balance brought down. And then we have petty cash again 209. So we have received. So this is what we have received, 209, that we are showing in the ledger also, 209. So this is what our sum is all about. You do this homework and please send it to me, and give comments, and please like the video, click the bell icon so that you can get your this one your videos directly to you. So in the books of asset I have written over here, and IGST should also be given. IGST in carriage only I am writing. I am changing little figures also. So little figures I am changing, and IGST should also be given. So let's see whether 10% IGST I am giving in this one. In carriage I am changing the carriage value, and IGST also I will change, and office tips changing. Then advertising value I am changing. Instead of advertising I am writing it is over here cartage. So cartage is changed, and 10% CGST and SGST. I am giving SGST and CGST 6% each, 6%, 6%, and SGST and CGST is 6%, 6%, SGST and CGST. Yeah, so making it 6%. And the interest money is also received in the sum. I am changing the figure a little bit easier, 100 rupees, so it will become easier to calculate. So hope you all have understand, and please comment on it. Thank you, students. Thank you very much. Thank you. 6 rupees, 6 rupees, 2 times. Thank you, student. Thank you. Please like, subscribe, share, and give the comments in the comment section, as well as press the bell icon so that you can receive whenever I make the videos directly. You receive these things. Thank you, students. I end the meeting. Thank you.